we prayed. We said we need instruments for these kids. And there's a church in my hometown of Tallmadge, Ohio. Everyone say Ohio. Ohio. My hometown that stepped up and they said, you know what, VUSELELA, we got you. Today, after months and months and months, we are getting instruments for VUSELELA.
Yeah.
Look at who we've got here. Just like that, we've got Trinity, we've got Tabong, and we've got Miss Lexi Fox, and of course, you got us. On our way, let's do this thing. Hit it. Sound good?
In our community, it's not easy to find empty buckets.
Okay, so what do you think we should do? Just get one of these? In my hometown of Tallmadge, Ohio. Everyone say Ohio. Ohio. My hometown that stepped up and they said, you know what, VUSELELA, we got you. So today, we got our first round of instruments. There's going to be a lot more coming. But today begins instruments in VUSELELA. How many of you have ever had to do this throughout the day? Put your hand up. Put your hand up. If you've ever had to get some I want you to show me how you feel about having to get water from the well